Alright, it's going.
Let's go and chuck it. Chuck it out. Yeah, that's smart. Let's go find a really steep hill and try to climb it.
Is it recording now?
Yeah, it's going, Aaron.
Awesome.
Fuck the weather stripping. This is the Thunderbird with the rod knock. Start. Oh, damn the alarm.